Hello, room 3. Today we have a helper. She is shaking up the shaving cream for me. We are going to do an experiment with shaving cream, food coloring, and a jar of water. So, the first thing we did was we filled our jar with some water, and then we're going to take the shaving cream and we're going to squirt it on top. So, my assistant has to remove the lid.
I don't know how.
Here. I will remove the lid.
I don't know how.
And then I'm going to spin it back to her. Alright. There you go. Keep going until I tell you to stop. Keep going. There you go. Keep going. She is making a cloud right now. Okay. Go ahead and stop. Yes, it's a very silly looking cloud. Alright, next she is going to pick a color.
I'm going to do all of the colors.
We just need one.
Well, then I'm going to make a new color. Where's the color? Oh, where'd it go? Here it is.
Pick one color, please.
I'm going to do... Okay, I need 6 drops of pink.
Gwendolyn.
But I'm making a new color. It's really fine. I will do blue.
Alright, she has picked blue. So, she is going to pour it on top. What do you think will happen to it when she puts it in? Alright, hang on. I had to put the camera down to open up the color.
Coloring. I like coloring.
Alright, we're going to spin that around to her. Alright. Here, I'm going to walk over to her so we can get a close-up of the jar. Alright, so she's dropping the color in. Put some over here where they can see it. Okay, you can see it. It's running down. Okay, I think that's enough. Alright, we're going to wait and see.
It's not boring. Look at that.
She may have put too much foam on it.
Shaving cream.
Alright. Hey, go get me one of those knives that you put in. Alright, we are going to try this again with less shaving cream this time.
Can I mix the shaving cream?
No, just hand me the knife.
Give me the knife.
Go get me a cup or a bowl. Alright, friends, I'm going to take the top layer off. Definitely too much shaving cream. But look at the cool coloring on that. Alright, kiddo.
Can I mix it?
Set that right over there. You can do an experiment with it later.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, let's try this again.
Do we need any more shaving cream?
Nope. Pick up your color and put some drops on it. Alright. So we have our drops on top, and it's soaking through the shaving cream.
Can we mix it?
See, as you can see it on top, it's
gonna turn purple.
It is kind of turning purple.
I see it. It's coming, and the wind goes. Can we mix it now so it'll peek?
Friends, do you see what happens? The color came down from the shaving cream, which is kind of like a cloud, and it's going down into the water.
Look at the purple.
And making rain. Look at how well it disperses.
Look at what I made.
Alright, friends, that was our experiment. We made rain. We'll see you guys later.